Does the blower fan on your 2000 Camry only work on high and not on any other speeds? Well, the problem is the blower motor resistor. The part is approximately $20 to $30 and it's fairly easy to change. On the passenger side, kind of under the glove box, if you look under here and up, there's a black panel here, and usually you can just get a finger or flat blade screwdriver in there and pop this panel down. I'll just work that across. There's another clip over here that needs to pop, and then just work out the panel. Alright, there's the panel down now. You can just see that there were just a couple of clips that we popped out, really just by using pressure. What we're looking for is right here. You can see that there's a white electrical connector. This is right up against the center console of the car, so really toward the middle of it, and we need to remove that connector. Unfortunately, it's too tight of a quarters here for me to actually show you how to do this, but if you look closely at the center of that connector, you got to push in that little plastic piece in order to get it to come out, and then you just wiggle it and pull it down. Here's the connector, and oftentimes you will find that it's burned and pretty nasty looking. The hopeful news is that it's actually just fine, and it is the blower motor resistor. To get that out, if you look up here, there are two Phillips screws on either side. You're going to need something like a stubby Phillips in order to get those out. Something like that, for example. This is a replacement blower motor resistor. It's just got a single connector on it and these two metal plates, and that's really all there is to it. And it's mounted with those two Phillips screws. Okay, I didn't know I was capable of saying those words, but I got the screws out, and now it comes right out. And oh yeah, not looking very nice. Now, another common problem that may occur with these blower motor resistors is what you see right here, where that metal copper looking tab is not connected. There's just a very fine opening there. I tested this in the car. Don't ever run these not put back up into the blower housing, because it needs the air going over it to cool them, otherwise they'll burn out very quickly. But for a half a second test, obviously you're fine. Nothing ran when I put it in. When I touched it together, just like that, it ran on all three speeds. So I got this from a guy on Fleabay, and now you know why I call it Fleabay. It was advertised as being new but open box. You can see it's certainly not new, and it's dirty, and it's broken on top of that. So I'm going to try to fix it, because, you know, although I'm entitled to a full refund and he's got to pay the shipping back, he doesn't have another one to sell. Anything else is going to be more money. So this is going to be the better option. Besides, I have the car apart. I don't want to happen to lose those screws over the next couple of weeks waiting for a new one, and I don't want to pay full retail for one, so I'm stuck doing it this way. Now, showing how to do this is out of the scope of this video, but again, you'd be looking to solder that tab back to the other one sticking up there, as it looks like it should be. It looks like surgery was successful. Let's reinstall it. Okay, it's time for reinstallation into the car. You can see my repair worked. Everything's here, and in case you're not sure which way this went in, it goes in this way, so you'll be seeing that clip facing you rather than that side. So with a clip facing you. Once again, due to the tight quarters, I'm not going to show you this, but once you get up under there, you'll know what kind of job this is. It's certainly not difficult. It's only two screws and one connector, but it's the access to them that kills you. Okay, it's back in. Now we have to put the connector back. If If you turn to low, it's hard to hear with the cars, but maybe the microphone, maybe you could hear the air in that. And if I turn it up, so it works on all 4 speeds. So if this video helped you out, please consider clicking the like and subscribe buttons. That lets me know I did a good job making this video and I can continue to provide them for you. Have a great day.